For most people, centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are the gateway into the world of digital assets. These platforms are intuitive, making it easy to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Their simplicity is their greatest strength. You can create an account in minutes, link your bank, and start trading. To many, an exchange acts like a digital savings account, where they store their assets with the apparent comfort that a large company is handling everything. However, behind this convenience are significant hidden dangers that every crypto investor should understand. The first and most obvious risk is security. Centralized exchanges are a prime target for hackers. By storing the funds of millions of users in one place, they become an irresistible pot of gold. Throughout crypto history, we've seen massive exchanges suffer catastrophic security breaches, resulting in the loss of billions of dollars worth of assets. While many platforms have improved their security protocols, the inherent risk of being a centralized point of attack never disappears. If the platform is hacked, your funds could be stolen, and there is no guarantee you will ever get them back. But the more profound and often misunderstood risk is the lack of control. There's a common mantra in the crypto community: not your keys, not your coins. When you leave your cryptocurrencies on an exchange, you don't actually own the assets. The platform is the legal owner of your funds. You only have their IOU, or promise, that they will return them to you. This leaves you vulnerable to a series of undesirable situations. The platform could freeze your funds without warning, face bankruptcy, as happened with FTX, or be subject to a court order that restricts transactions. In any of these scenarios, your assets are out of your control, which goes against the core principle of decentralization. The solution: taking control with self-custody. This is where self-custody comes in. Self-custody is the practice of maintaining total control over your digital assets, and the secret to achieving it lies in your private keys. Think of a private key as the unique, unbreakable key to a virtual safe. If you hold the key, you have absolute control over what's inside. This key is a unique alphanumeric code that allows you to authorize transactions and prove you are the sole owner of your coins. By storing your crypto in a self-custody wallet, you are the one holding that key, not a third party. There are two main types of self-custody wallets. Hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, are physical devices that store your private keys offline in a completely secure environment. They are the safest option for long-term storage. On the other hand, software wallets, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, are applications you can install on your phone or computer. While they're more convenient for daily use, they are slightly less secure than hardware wallets because they are connected to the internet. The key to security in both cases is that you are the only one with access to your recovery phrase, the 12 or 24 words that allow you to restore your wallet. The main advantage of self-custody is absolute control. Your funds cannot be frozen, stolen in a massive exchange hack, or seized by an external entity. You are your own bank. However, this great power comes with great responsibility. If you lose your private key or your recovery phrase, or if someone else gains access to it, your funds will be lost forever, with no possibility of recovery. There is no customer service or forgot password option in the world of self-custody. Conclusion: know the difference. To summarize, exchanges are valuable tools for liquidity and short-term trading. They are the entry point for many. But for long-term security, true ownership, and control of your assets, self-custody is non-negotiable. Understanding the power of your private keys and making the decision to secure your assets is the most important step in becoming a truly independent and secure cryptocurrency investor. The next time you leave your coins on an exchange, ask yourself, who holds the key? The answer will tell you who's in control. Visit website fastcryptonews.com.